Trinidad.
Here, mga kapatid, partnership. So, we have what we call the expertise at kailangan lang natin ang tinatawag na connections. Kami, and you guys, pagtulungan natin, magsasucceed talaga tayo sa Premier Lifestyle. Alright, so...
Give it up for Miss Diane Rose Trinidad. Na talagang ngayon, as one na tayo. Yes, iba-iba po tayo ng club, but lahat po kaming mga coaches and mentors, tulong-tulong po kami every day. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Herbie Chu.
Si Warren, di ba? Sobrang medyo nagpahinga din yan, no? Yung pagbalik niya, talagang sabi niya yung Premier, tututukan ko to. No? And ilang months lang, grabe yung growth ng Premier, no? Palakpakan natin.
Our General Manager, Mr. Gary Morales.
Talagang, I think, the vision of our owners, no, of our board of directors, plus the vision of the senior business partners is, beginning to happen. And there's nowhere to go but to go up. Do you agree?
The role of marketing naman, no, dito sa Premier Lifestyle is really to give you programs, no, and to give you tools. Mamaya you'll be seeing what's in store for promotions, no.
Our focus for the business development is number one, is the recruitment, is to build more Premier Lifestyle business partner. Right? Number two, our focus also to keep our business partners or the Premier business partners in terms of reactivation.
Time. Of course, our redemption team will help you check everything pag nagbayad po kayo ng mga products niyo. Check po ba?
Kami po talaga yung parang proof na sobrang ganda po ng Premier Lifestyle. Sobrang nagpapasalamat po kami sa Mentor Warren Trinidad, Pandayan Trinidad.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Premier Lifestyle.